Hey guys, I want to do a quick breakdown on AMC for you. I know a lot of people are still holding the stock, waiting for the short squeeze. The hedges still have to cover, so we're still waiting on a lot of shares to be covered that were shorted. But I want to give you a breakdown because there's ways to make money on AMC while you're waiting. Something our group's been doing for a while now. So we're looking at the 1 week on AMC. So on the weekly, we've had a lot of little support and resistance levels. The one that we are sitting above right now is the $33 support. We did close above it, which would typically indicate with a green open on Monday, we can stay and trade between 34 and likely 36 to 38. We're probably going to fall in there somewhere. Um, if we have a red market, if we open red, then we're going to have to watch this 33 level. If we break 33, then our next weekly support's around 31 and a half. We'll have to watch those two levels because they are weekly support levels. I think those could break if we open up with a really red market. So um, on the weekly, we have two support levels that we've got to watch, and then we also could trade up to the high 30s. We're going to have trouble at 38 likely. We tested that a couple of times on Friday, and we're unable to break it. We also tested it a little earlier in the week, still not able to break it. So let's look at the 3 month. On the 3 month, same thing showing. We're open just above that weekly support at 33, or we closed just above it. Now below that, we have that 31 support that we established, and then we have a 29 and a half support. If for some reason the stock goes down, we've really got to pay attention to the 29.61 support. If we break that, we have a lot of room to go down. Our next support isn't until 1998 or 20 range. So what I think will happen, I don't think we go under 30 right now, not after the bounce off 30 that we had. Likely we get a green market Monday. If we do, we're going to stay above the 33 range, maybe test it, but we'll probably come off of it. We could trade up to 37, 38. So how would you make money on this? Well, you want to play options. You can play a call option when we hit supports, like the 30 support we hit. When we bounced off 30, that was a perfect time to buy a call option with a $34, $35 strike. You hold it until we hit 34, 35, or even ride it up to the 38 where we bounced. Take your profit, and then if we test 38 a few times, it can't break, then you can put it back down with a $35 strike price on your put. Then you're making money both ways. And as we break through different support or resistance, you've got to be watching what your play should be. If we're going up and we end up breaking 38, then we're going to get stuck at 40 likely. But if we break 40, I think we could see 47 shortly after. So you want to be aware of all these different levels, because instead of just sitting on 1,000 shares of AMC, riding the wave up and down, you can actually actively play it and make money along the way, and still have your shares when the shorts have to cover. So like I said, Monday morning, likely we hold 33 unless we have a red market. Then we've got to be really mindful of that 30 level support, 29 and a half, 30. If we go below that, all bets are off for me. I know shorts still have to cover, but there's a lot of room to go down if we break into the 20s. If you're not trading with our group, you can check the information on this YouTube page. You can get a link to join our Discord or to get text alert services. We trade the markets every day. We pick plays together, we trade together, we learn together, and we make money together.